In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Sheets in computer and work offline when there is no internet connection. First, open any internet browser. Here I have opened this Google Chrome browser. In the web address bar, type docs.google.com/spreadsheets, then press enter. This is the home page of Google Sheets. If you have not logged in into your Google account, you will see this login screen. Put the Gmail ID and password, then you will be here in this home page of Google Sheets. First, let's see how to enable the offline mode. Click on the three lines at top left corner. Click on Settings. Turn on the offline mode. Here you see, offline setup is in progress. This process may take few seconds to a minute to complete. Wait until offline setup complete message is given. Look here, offline setup process is completed. Click on OK button. Next, to install Google Sheets application in computer, click on the three dots given at the top right corner of browser. Move mouse pointer all the way down. Go to this Cast, Save and Share option. Click on this Install Page as App option. Click on the Install button. A new window opens, which is the installed app window of Google Sheets. Let me close the app window and browser window. Here in Desktop, Google Sheets logo is added. Click on Start button, and in the list of apps, you can see the Google Sheets is installed. Click on it to open Google Sheets. Here I have the spreadsheets that I have previously created. To enable the offline access to a file, click on the three dots. Then, turn on this Available Offline option. Similarly, you can turn on this option for other files that you frequently use or need offline access. Let me close Google Sheets app and disable the internet connection in my PC. Open Google Sheets app. Click on the file that has offline access enabled. Look here, Working Offline message is given. Let me do some work in this spreadsheet. Here you see, Saved in this device notification is given. Close Google Sheets and reopen the file. The work which was done offline is saved here. Once the internet is connected, file will be synchronized with the Google server. Now, the file is saved in Google Drive. So, that was all about installing Google Sheets in PC and working offline. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel for more tutorials in Google Sheets. See you in next video.